Hello tool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing the top 25 new cool woodworking tools on Amazon you should buy now. From genius DIY gadgets to powerful workshop upgrades, these innovative tools are designed to save time, boost precision, and make every woodworking project easier and more professional. Let's jump right in and discover the latest must-have tools every woodworker will love in 2026.
Specialty tools. Compass Universal Roller Guides. The Compass Universal Roller Guides RG1 and RG2 by Harvey Woodworking are precision safety and feed assistance tools that replace traditional featherboards. Featuring independently spring-loaded rollers, one-way bearings, and infinite pressure adjustment, 15 to 22 pounds, they firmly hold stock against fences while reducing kickback. Polyurethane rollers ensure secure grip without marring wood. Constructed from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum with a 50mm roller, they fit standard T-slots and work with table saws, bandsaws, router tables, and spindle molders, offering versatile, stable cutting performance. Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge. The Woodpeckers MT Center Gauge is a precision layout tool built to find the exact center of stock and simplify mortise and tenon joinery. Its parallelogram design automatically centers the marking bar on material from 1/4 inch to 2 inches thick. Precision machined aluminum arms, stainless steel interchangeable bars, and optional doweling capability ensure perfectly centered lines, joints, and holes every time, even on slightly irregular workpieces. Precision tools. Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS. The Woodpeckers Bench Rule SS is a precision stainless steel layout tool built for large woodworking projects and sheet goods. Made from 1/16 inch thick stainless steel with a non-glare satin finish, it stays rigid and easy to read. The wide 1 3/4 inch blade, laser engraved graduations, and dual-purpose sliding stop enable accurate measuring, repeatable marking, parallel scribing, and upright setup for machine adjustments. Joint making tools. Milescraft HingeJigPLUS. The Milescraft HingeJigPLUS Model 1229 is an all-in-one door installation jig that delivers fast, accurate mortising without screws or nails. Its padded dual clamping system secures firmly without damaging surfaces. Compatible with standard door thicknesses and 5 common hinge sizes, it also supports multiple radius options. Built-in depth guides, indexing pins, and included latch and strike templates ensure precise alignment. Bonus tools and integrated storage make it ideal for professional, repeatable results. Milescraft PinDoctor. The Milescraft PinDoctor Model 8413 is a purpose-built hand tool for safely removing and reinstalling door hinge pins without damage. Its clear polycarbonate body provides full visibility for precise alignment, while the solid steel striking pin transfers maximum hammer force to loosen stuck or painted pins. Flip the tool to reinstall pins using its flat surface, protecting door hardware, frames, and finishes. Compact and durable, it fits easily in any toolbox. Kreg Drawer Front System. The Kreg Drawer front mounting system is a heavy-duty alignment tool that makes installing drawer fronts fast, accurate, and hands-free. Built from rigid alloy steel, it features GripMax TM non-slip pads to hold fronts securely without marring. Integrated alignment marks ensure perfect centering, while large adjustment knobs allow quick tightening. The Pro Kit adds magnetic shims for consistent gaps, making it ideal for DIYers and professional cabinet makers alike. Cutting tools. Bora tool, Quickcut. The Bora tool, Quickcut, Model 530416, is a versatile circular saw guide that replaces miter saws and complex jigs for fast, accurate angle cuts. 4 preset angles, 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, speed setup, while a 14-inch aluminum rail delivers stable, straight guidance. Laser-etched metric and imperial scales, a base-to-blade offset marker, and an ergonomic grip ensure precise alignment. Built from rigid extruded aluminum, it's durable, lightweight, award-winning, and ideal for repetitive layout work on wood, soft metals, and job site framing tasks. Sanding and power tools. Bosch EasyCurvSander 12. The Bosch EasyCurvSander 12 is a versatile cordless sander with a unique 3-disc system that adapts to flat, concave, and convex surfaces. Its variable speed control lets you polish delicate surfaces, remove paint, or sand hardwood and softwood. Designed for low noise and vibration, it offers smooth, precise operation. Lightweight and compact, it handles wood, metal, and leather effortlessly. The kit includes sanding nets, polishing sponges, and a dust adapter, making it perfect for furniture, vehicle detailing, and crafts. Bosch UniversalMulti 18x32. The Bosch UniversalMulti 18x32 is a versatile cordless, oscillating multi-tool for DIYers, ideal for cutting, sanding, scraping, and sawing wood, metal, and plasterboard. It features the magnet hold system for easy one-handed accessory changes, a 6-step electronic speed dial, Starlock accessory interface, and 4-stage depth stop for precision work. Sinian technology optimizes power and runtime, while the lightweight, ergonomic design reduces fatigue. Integrated LED light and optional handle add convenience. Compatible with power for all batteries, it includes blades, sanding plate, and depth stop. Measuring and layout. Lytool Miter Saw Protractor. The Lytool Miter Saw Protractor, model MG 45823, is a versatile 3-in-1 layout tool for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Its 270-degree rotating design accurately measures angles for miter cuts, crown molding, and plumbing. Functions include an angle finder, compass for arcs, spirit level, and frame alignment aid. Made from durable ABS and aluminum alloy, it features laser-engraved scales, a locking knob, built-in magnets for storage, and hanging holes. Lightweight, portable, and fully manual, it ensures precise, hassle-free measurements. Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge is a versatile layout tool for precise angle measurement and transfer, ideal for trim, flooring, and furniture projects. It captures wall angles from 30 degrees to 180 degrees with one-hand operation and movable plastic legs for exact alignment. Model 6 957000 simplifies miter saw, set up with automatic angle bisector, magnets, and telescopic calipers. Model 6 958000 adds marking functionality with integrated scales and a pencil guide. Made in Europe from durable plastic and metal, it ensures accuracy and reliability. Work holding and support. OX Trade Pack Saw Horse. The OX Trade Pack Saw Horse is a versatile heavy-duty support system ideal for professionals and DIYers in 2026. Available in bamboo-topped steel or reinforced plastic versions, it offers exceptional stability with load capacities up to 400 kilograms. Steel models feature ergonomic heights, folding pack-down legs, and durable bamboo surfaces, while plastic models integrate Tooltrex storage connectors and a middle shelf. Non-slip feet, locking pins, and compact foldability make these saw horses perfect for sawing, framing, and temporary workbenches. Rockler Slab Gripper Hold Down Clamps. The Rockler Slab Gripper Hold Down Clamps, Model 69022, are low-profile, heavy-duty clamps designed to secure irregular or live-edge wood slabs for flattening and surfacing. Featuring aggressive top and bottom teeth, they grip both the slab edges and work surface firmly. An internal spring eases setup on thick slabs, while a 90-degree notch accommodates square corners. Made from rugged galvanized steel, they fit materials down to 3/4 inch thick and allow full router or CNC access without obstruction. Rockler Micro Adjust Fence Flip Stop. The Rockler Micro Adjust Fence Flip Stop is a precision T-track accessory for miter saws, router tables, and drill presses, designed for highly accurate, repeatable cuts. Its dual direction micro adjustment allows 3/8 inch fine tuning after locking, while precision indicator faces align perfectly with the fence's tape measure. Compatible with 2 1/4 inch and 3 inch fences, it rotates smoothly out of the way and features durable cast aluminum construction with a 1 1/4 inch locking knob. Ideal for use with or without sacrificial faces, it ensures maximum accuracy. REEKON Tools 1 Caliber. The REEKON Tools AirMeb 1 Caliber is a fence-mounted digital measuring system that replaces manual measuring and marking on saws. It clamps to most miter, chop, and vertical bandsaw fences, using a precision friction wheel to deliver real-time readings on a bright LCD. Automatic blade kerf compensation ensures cut accuracy, while a spring-loaded arm adapts to materials up to 3.5 inches. Durable, dual-side mountable, and fast, it measures wood, plastics, and pipes accurately with accuracy within plus or minus 0.02 inches. Prostormer Mini Circular Saw. The Prostormer Mini Circular Saw is a versatile compact cutting tool ideal for one-handed operation. Available as a corded 4.2 amp model with variable speeds up to 6,500 RPM, or a 20-volt cordless version with a 6.5 inch blade, it handles wood, PVC, soft metals, plastic, and tile. Features include precision laser guides, adjustable cutting depth, ergonomic handles, dual press safety trigger, and dust extraction. Cordless models offer tool-free bevel/depth adjustments and portable lithium-ion power. Kits include TCT, HSS, and diamond blades. Arbortech SpheroPlane. The Arbortech SpheroPlane is a precision power carving attachment for angle grinders, perfect for crafting spherical wooden bowls and balls without a lathe. Its adjustable radius collar allows exact sizing, while omnidirectional cutting ensures smooth shaping. Seamlessly switch from carving to sanding with the included flexible pad. Durable tungsten carbide cutters offer long-lasting performance, and the full guard with dust extraction provides safety and cleanliness. Compatible with M14 or 5/8 inch spindles, it delivers up to 12,000 RPM for professional results. Scheppach Planer HMS 1070. The Scheppach HMS 1070 is a versatile 2-in-1 benchtop tool, combining a surface jointer and thickness planer for compact workshops or DIY projects. Its powerful 1,500 watt motor drives a dual HSS knife cutter head at up to 9,000 RPM, handling stock 6 to 120 mm thick and up to 254 mm wide. Features include aluminum tables, a tilting fence, 90 degrees to 135 degrees, motorized feed, manual height adjustment, and a 76 mm dust port. Lightweight, stable, and portable, it delivers precision wood flattening and planing in one efficient unit. BOW Products GuidePRO GP5. The BOW Products GuidePRO GP5 is a precision bandsaw guide and vertical featherboard designed for safer, hands-free material control. Its 6-inch silicone feather applies consistent pressure while reducing vibration, and the detachable multifunction base doubles as a squaring and measuring tool. The quickset miter cam allows rapid setup, fitting 15mm, 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch slots. Optional GP7 and GP10 accessories extend feather height or secure the guide for repetitive cuts, making it ideal for veneers, thin strips and irregular materials. Rockler tools. Rockler Mini Glue. Roller with silicone tray. The Rockler Mini Glue Roller with silicone tray, Model 51336, is a precision tool for spreading wood glue on small to medium surfaces. Its non-stick silicone roller evenly distributes glue and peels cleanly once dry. The silicone tray allows easy removal of leftover glue, while the self-centering handle ensures smooth rolling with ergonomic comfort. At 2 inches wide, it's perfect for narrow stock and joints. Integrated resting tabs keep surfaces mess-free, and cleanup is simple with warm water or dishwasher-safe silicone components. Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauge Set. The Woodpeckers Rabbet Gauge Set is a precision layout and machine setup system designed to simplify rabbet joints with accuracy. This 3-piece anodized aluminum set offers 12 fractional dimensions from 1/16 inch to 3/4 inch and features 4 machined steps per block for exact width and depth references. Ideal for router tables, table saw setups, and scribing, it ensures perfect alignment without trial and error. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum in Strongsville, Ohio, this specialty tool is offered periodically through Woodpeckers' limited one-time tool program.